Hi everybody, I'm Scott Hippert. I'm the President and CEO of Parents as Teachers, and I'm here today just to share with you a little bit about what's been happening in our world and my world and certainly what I've been observing in your world. Since I started here at Parents as Teachers, 8 months now, it's been a really remarkable time for me. I've been traveling all over the country, visiting with many of you, talking to our state leaders, and trying to get my arms around a very complex organization here in St. Louis, and trying to move this organization forward into the future, into a future with really strong partnerships with all of you. In the past few months, I've been to Washington, D.C., Seattle, Kansas City, Topeka, Kansas, Minneapolis. Upcoming, I'll be down in the Carolinas, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, New York. And that's just part of my travel schedule. I'm not really sure why I have a house here in St. Louis, because I never have time to mow the lawn. But what I've found through all these travels, as I've listened to many of you, is this incredible commitment and belief in the Parents as Teachers approach, in what we are trying to do together, and in the results that I hear that we're having with so many families and young children all across this country and beyond. And I do hope that my travels will take me to visit with our overseas affiliates sometime very soon too. We are an international organization, and I have incredible respect for what's happening with our overseas folks. One of the things that's really impressed me is the wide variety of environment in which Parents as Teachers is being delivered. Of course, we know we're delivered through health clinics and through school districts and so forth. But what I've also found is that we're also being delivered to parents through child care centers, housing communities, faith communities, and a whole variety of other ways. And I find that just fascinating, and I'm so thrilled because my goal is that we can reach as many families as possible all across the world, and to reach them in a variety of ways in the places where they are at, and working with them based on their own situations. Of course, our goal is to give parents the skills and resources to make sure that their children are healthy and that they're ready to learn and succeed in school and way on into their adult lives. Over the past few years, I've also heard that many of you have been immersed in the changes that have taken place within Parents as Teachers. There's been a lot of changes here, as I've learned, that's impacted you. And I know that's created some challenges. What I want to say is, with every change comes an opportunity. And what I see, even though we're still wrestling with some of the changes, and sometimes those changes need a little bit of retuning, at the end of the day, what we're doing is building the gold standard in parent engagement and home visiting. We're building strong partnerships, and we're devising a financial mechanism that will help pay for these services for vulnerable families long into the future. We're all in that together. So I ask you, be patient with the changes, expect a few more, expect also to be part of that conversation, and please give me your feedback whenever you have the opportunity to do so. We're all in this together. This is a partnership for the benefit of the world's families and kids, and I look forward to working with you in effective partnerships long into the future. Thank you.